Hello everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to Nafu's Unique Creations. So today we are going to learn how to create a rolling desk calendar. If you like my video, please to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. The materials we will require are black chart paper, sunboard, printouts of months and date, which I'll be showing you later how I have divided these. Pencil, scissors, fevicol, 3 sticks and cardboard. So now let's start with the method. Here I've got a white pencil to mark on the black paper. The size of the paper is 26 cm by 29.5 cm. Now I'll show you the markings. So you have to mark on 9.5 cm and 17 cm. Turn the paper and mark on 9.5 and 20 centimeter. Now we have to cut. So now at a distance of maybe 1 or 2 centimeters, we'll make a hole on the two sides, on both the sides. These holes are made on both the sides, which should be at equal distance. So I've taken the small black chart paper. The size is 15.5 by 16.5 centimeter. Now to make the drawer, I'll show you the markings. Mark at 3 centimeter at all the borders. Here I've taken this other black piece of paper which measures 28.5 by 10 centimeter, and now we have to mark creases on 1.5 centimeter, 12.5 centimeter, 15.5 centimeter and 26 centimeter. You have to join the two ends. this is the cover where a drawer will go in. Now we can stick cardboard over here to make this a little stiff, and also on this part. Here I have taken this piece of cardboard. Now I'm going to mark at 10 centimeter and cut it out. Now I'm going to roll this. We'll take this white piece of paper. It is a little bigger size than the roll. And just cover the roll with it. That's it. Trim off the excess paper. Now in the same manner that we made this, we have to make this small roll, and I've also stuck the white paper on top, and the size of these small rolls is 5 centimeter. Here I've got the prints ready. This is for the month. I've left some white space over here which I'll be showing you later why. And the size of this is according to the rolls. So this is for the small roll and this is for the big roll. Now the dates is like 0, 1, 2 and 3 on the first, and from 0 to 9 on the second. Now we have to stick it. Till this thing comes here, till the full roll is covered, and the other part we are going to leave it free. Here there are 2 holes, and same thing on the other. We also have to create a hole 4 centimeters away from the first hole in the same line. And same thing over here on the other side. Here these holes are ready. These holes should be big enough to fit your stick inside. So this white space is about 12 centimeters long, and now how to fix this roll I'll show you. You have to pass this one stick through the third hole. And now around 1 or 2 centimeters, how much is getting wrapped on this stick, you have to wrap it and stick it. Here now on the stick we'll roll this. Now we'll pass a stick through here. Same thing on the top side. We'll take this roll first which is from 0 to 9, and then from 0 to 3. We'll stick this and cut the ends, the extra part of the stick. So now I've got this piece ready. I'm going to stick this on top. So here I've taken this other piece of sunboard. You can also use cardboard. And I'm going to stick this here. Do not stick it with the drawer or else your drawer will not come out. Here leave a little bit space before cutting the sticks, and same thing on the other side. Now we can decorate this. You can decorate this according to your choice. Stick a bead over here to pull the drawer out and in.